Hey guys, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together my glitter ornament. Okay, so this is a series of ornaments I did a few years ago, and they're so easy to cut and put together. Well, maybe not to cut. The cutting takes a second because if you have any intricate pieces like this and you've got to cut it out 6 times, it just takes a little while. So let me show you how to layer these. Almost every one of these ornaments get folded like this. You just have to be careful of the fold for these swirly pieces. And then you have a piece in the back. Now, here's the thing. If you want to get rid of the piece in the past, you can just do it with this if you wanted to. Use, I like stick glue actually best, but I happen to be out of it. So I'm using like a craft bond glue and just put a little glue on the edges and along the center. You don't need to put it on each of those little swirls. I think it can get a little bit messy and a little bit goopy if you do that. So you just need a tiny bit here. And then we're going to take that and layer it right here. I would love to see somebody just do these without the white background. I wonder what it would look like. I'm sure really cool. And then here's the glitter part. So I actually haven't glittered mine today, but this is where we glittered all of these. So it looks like snow on the ornaments. So feel free to do that. I'm not today just because this is a quick after project, since I didn't make these at the same time as I'm doing this tutorial video. And by the way, the reason I'm doing this tutorial video is because I gave away this ornament for free to my Silhouette VIP group at Thankful Week. And I routinely give away free files that I've got to my Silhouette VIP group, which of course you can join by clicking on the link in the description or in my profile, depending on where you're seeing this, or just going to karinagardner.com. All right, so I have 6 of these already made. And this part you will want hot glue, okay? So what we're going to do is we're just going to hot glue one side together right here and the top piece and put them together. And this you have to be careful and make sure and match them up really well because the glue dries so quickly. You can see it did not do it quite fast enough. We'll try again. This is the great thing about hot glue. Pull it apart, try again. All right, here we go. I'm going to match up the top first this time, and hopefully that'll give me the results I'm looking for. There we go. Okay, awesome. Okay, so you get a piece that looks like this. Let's go ahead and glue the next side, and we're going to add the next piece to that. And you can see how you're just starting to create this really awesome 3D ornament. Fold it back. And if you need to add a little extra hot glue anywhere, which I do right there, just to make sure it's in place. And then let's add our next piece. Okay, look how cool that's looking. All right, now with this final one, just make sure and fold back the rest of it. You can see it makes the coolest little accordion. I mean, you could stop here and put this on a card, like not finish it out. How cute would that be? Or any other kind of decor item. But we're going to finish it out because I put this up here so you could actually string it. So let's go ahead. I need one more glue stick. And I'm still going to just do one side to get it going, just because the glue dries so quickly. And then here's the final one, guys. close that up. And there you go. Isn't that a beautiful little ornament? So darling, so easy to make, and like so sweet. It's on my bucket list to make a whole series of these. Well, I have a whole series of these, but then cut them out 1,000,001 times and build the most epic Christmas tree. All right, make sure and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you are getting all of the awesome tutorials that I've got on here, from fabric to silhouette files to my travel videos. And make sure and join one of my VIP newsletter groups, because if you do, you will get free files like this. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye guys.